my quick comment, just 2 minutes, Pacho, on ECG.
Okay.
When him say ECG, no, the first masters, me project pieces, na on ECG. My topic, no, na the effect of performance, the effect of vision and mission on the performance of Ghanaian companies. Case study ECG. Into the name person me share and they say once you come mission of a company here the company ni gina ho se wo ye
ni suade huna
da mission ni ye ebia
ni dwumadi
a wodie die ntia wote adwuma no
right
ehun adwuma no ye vision ye wani suade hunu into na person me hwe ECD adwuma ene o mani suade hunu into wo ko ba bia ye fra bibi credo
right
credo CREDO on say oba multimedia and now ko ba bia ne de bibia boho ne atro vision ne atro mission ne atro core values enti okwa company no a wutimu say we no mugina ho okwa bank ne atro say we are for this that good enti na person me share ECG for mu mission no and no mu vision ma hwe as against their performance
right
when time year start project 2012 2012 na me year start project no she NC in fact the other second project I mean was on ECG. Now only them here on no message bibi e friend balance scorecard. You can balance scorecard. You be catch you say first no you can say company aya dia na ese wenye sika bibri.
Right.
But Kaplan any Norton, Dr. Kaplan any Dr. Norton.
Right.
Omo na keka bom hu say you can say company bia ye a enye just because of money nko.
Sure.
Nemum baako apart from financial performance no the second one bibi e friend no internal business processes.
Okay.
Internal business processes in there ekwan yo mu fa so yo mu nioma oti ase say bia container ne ba wan ne be kwa kofa container no ne ye de akohene na ana say bia mechanic san me kwa ana me wo problem with ECG na me fra ekwan be so ne fa so internal business process and also me hwe sa de no ECG ne enkoyi. The third one a customer service delivery. Into Dr. Kaplan and nothing say enye sika no nkwase beka say ECG enye sika.
Sure.
Nemum ekwa mu faso yo mu nioma omu customer service.
See satisfied.
Satisfied. Now nim dia omu moto. ECG no moto. Delighting in the customer is our ultimate goal. Now in quality management, in quality management no. See a catch now say delighting na unim delighting even who marketing management ye free bibi perception what you say and actuals enti perception ye perception as against expectation
right
and ye dia hwese nipa no ye satisfied enti akokwa ebia wo hu na Jantuah mi wo sika unim se mo sika pa enti anya bia me no di nkomo wi a wo be expect say me ma uska anya bia se me ma bia me ne kwa me despite se me fra wo se brafie ne edi nkomo anya bia wonim se wi a me ma uska ma wo kra de e bi kra wo 2000 bi de me de be ma wo
enti de mimi hu ni se be ma koma ato me yemu a me hwehwe free wo no
de wo akoma mu no se bia
menya free wo
at least 2000 bi ba me wi ya nam so je 500 bi what it means is that the nation will trim the mimi susu se wo hia no wani anje enti o say if expectation the me expectation is greater than perception the wode ma me na I'll be dissatisfied.
Sure.
Nemom yemfo ni se na nka wo hia 2000 wo expect 2000 but I am so akokwa age 5000 bi abroso
e de ani je beba.
What it means is that yes perception is lesser than expectation. That's what I expected. Me it was less. Me expected 2000.
Abrum
and no your friend is say you are delighted. And you are delighted. It just say the na wani na so no when ya broso. And ECG can say delighting in our customer is our ultimate goal. It just say sensu to ECG dum so ni ho. Technical challenges ni ho omunyo ye said the be ya sa nyoma no eni ho ene ne ka say delighting in our customer is our ultimate goal sa nyoma we no ye enti doctor can say baako performance internal customer service the last one year innovation and learning say nipa no I was say do be omusua de ehu the best practices ya tena ho agi atum container ba yesi ewia na yeguso ka ho asem debate na po wo ho no ne energy minister Dubik wo ho no ye former ECG boss ye wo procurement director omunyina wo ho bepem ne ye da so toto papa so
and I was disappointed in Afenyo board chairman ese e wo ho dada
na nka this time kwa I was say nka Afenyo-Markin ya che no enye e frɛ no ya che no because a board chairman say winning board system now corporate governance now we see we ntimi nya bibia without board's approval into procurement no e call board procurement na timi come yetua sika wo bra adwuma ni nya maye no Afenyo-Markins na on the side enti yentimi nya nkrata
right
and enti na da no bia gu jeje so no wrapping up jeje so no John Jinapo this is a simple issue me bwa enti we ni dede ni say so far wo ya de no ye hu so wo de ko but I am not satisfied unless Afenyo Napo ECG procurement director technical directors no unya nipa sa 5 we ya ebe timi nya solutions bra eno no
Medas nana kwadwo Jantuah na wote ne nka no nti on gold board ne ye ka nyina ne se the gold board ban na ni suade hunu ne se omo ebe fa gold market no ti omo na beto